Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm very excited to showcase the WD Black SN850 NVMe SSD. This is Gen 4 with up to an incredible 7,000 megabit a second. This is a Gen 4 1TB edition. It also has up to 1 million IOPS. And all of the pertinent details will be in the description below, but you can pause this video anytime and take a look. This is important because it is NVMe PCIe SSD. So you get extreme high performance from this in a computer that supports Gen 4 SSDs. This is M.2 2280 size. There are different sizes of these SSDs, but that's what size this is. They also make a model that comes with a heatsink. This one's specifically made to just have incredible speed for your computer. And now they're pretty much officially authorized and can be used for the PlayStation 5. So if you want to expand your memory with blazing fast SSD, definitely go for the Western Digital WD Black model that you see here. And here is what the unit looks like upside down. It's just a flat PCB board. All the fun stuff is up here, and it's underneath this sticker with the serial number and stuff. But 7,000 megabits a second, Gen 4. That is really fast. So you want to make sure that your rig has plenty of cooling technology, because that will probably get pretty warm when it's at full speed. Again, it will now work with your PlayStation 5. If you've received the update, if you're in the Insider program, pretty soon they'll release it to the full public, but you can get into the program and then pop that in and have an additional up to 1 terabyte of SSD storage and extreme performance. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.